Alright guys, welcome to the segment of Pavement Princesses. You know, because we can't take these off-road because they're too much of a fucking pussy. Off-road? Look at the paint, dog. You got the Pokeball right here. Yo! Age don't exist in this women in I'm gonna die! Oh shit! Yo, chill out, bro. This ain't no game, bro. This ain't no game. You make a turn and your whole body goes out the fucking car, dog. And I still don't have a fucking seatbelt in this shit, you motherfucking family. The tranny has left the judge. Mr. Professional Jeep Driver stalled it. Mr. Professional Jeep Driver doesn't know how to drive. They're racing in a fucking Jeep, dog. Like, they think they're fast. That's a real car. Alright guys, we're letting Mr. Rusty 3.7 drive the Jeep again. We're about to get some of the best footage of clutch dropping. Oh, he didn't drop it. Dude, what are you recording me for, huh? Alright guys, we're back driving the piece of shit scumbag. He doesn't have a seatbelt, so he's gonna understand what it feels like to be floored around the corner doing 70. Motherfucker. Guys, he's driving like it's a GTR, guys. Save me. Guys, the autopilot on this thing is better than Tesla. I mean, just look at the wheel. And we're, I have no more content, so we're gonna make some content right now. We're gonna go off-roading in the Jeep. Excuse me? With the brand new paint that it has. Excuse me? Oh, damn. Oh, God. The best content you'll get all month. Was chasing me. Oh yeah, that video. What happened? I was cleaning the spoiler because I got eel sauce on the spoiler and then the paper fell on the floor, so I meant to pick it up. As I'm doing it, the fucking dog starts like napping at my hands. He starts chasing me to the car. Hey, we're going in the back seat. No, it's more comfortable back here, you know. Chill better back here. Why not, man? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? You guys are ready for the beach or something? What is this? Stand up the whole time. What's up, horsecock? So where's Alex? He's our ride. Oh, sorry, we gotta go get my rod. Because he forgot to put it in the car. We got the forged carbon. He looks like a pimp. The hat over it, bro. He looks like a pimp. Oh my God. This is a piece of shit car, dude. Piece of shit. Yo, how do you... Alright guys, we're gonna go drifting. Yo, I can't believe your gas tank is full for once, dog. Don't crash. So today we're driving the piece of Camaro with all these fucking trees in the way. You can't see anything. But you know, when you drive a Chevy, you don't need to see anything. How do people look at this car and be like, yes, this is what I want. This is what I want. Like, you gotta be some type of to say this is what you want. Civic lives matter. I got coal. I got a stack of 64 coal. I got a stack of 64 coal just like in Minecraft. We could like make the fish, you know? He's gonna huff, he's gonna... Rev it, rev it, rev it. Alright, bro. This. I wanna get some ear rape right now. Look at that. Look at him, look at him. Father, ready? Get in. Vlogs, everything. What do you say? Vlog? Yo, Arlen Horsecock is taking a wallet. Why is this wearing this, bro? What is Yo, video proof. I called in. I'm sitting on Harden's lap. Let me see, let me see. Oh my God. The new country movie. Oh my God. Crispy! Everyone instantly throws that. I love foot. How do you hook these? Yo, Alex, where do you hook them from? Alex, how do you hook them? From the back end. Right here? No, from the fucking asshole. Yo, I got a fucking dog. Yo, where's my 5,000, bitch? I caught like 4 fish already. Count. Pecas. The Pecas.
All right, motherfuckers, you want to see some fucking content? We're gonna get some fucking content. I'm gonna go far as from everybody so we can fucking.
3 hours later.
Now I gotta walk all the way back, dude. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a lure on this.
Catching any brown fishes.
It's been around 3 hours, man.
Bro, 10 likes and I'll swim in this.
All right, guys.
I'm gonna go swim right now.
We're done.
What the
Yo, tremenda mata. Don't put that part in the video. The GoPro stopped recording, but I did catch a fish. No. All right, guys, we have a very unsuccessful day for me, at least. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Jordan, I was gonna fish there.
You, Jordan.
If I don't catch something, I'm deleting it.
Jordan.
He called him Harlem again. Imagine the truck doesn't turn on.
Texas Roadhouse.
So crazy. Listen to Texas mention on the radio. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So
Go.
Yo,
Chick madness, heaven. Yo, what's up, dog? You look like my next mistake. And you look like I got a blank space, baby. And I like you, baby.
We're in the wonderful Universal Studios. Jordan told me to vlog for you guys, so I'll see you guys on to the next part. What's going on, YouTube? We are in Mexico. We're in the middle of Mexico right now in the back, flying across the border. Back here on Jordan's YouTube channel. Jordan's a piss enough of this. Okay? We're in the middle of the trenches right now trying to escape war. I just got macked by a tree. I just got macked 2 times. We're gonna go burn the fish my boy. Do it for the YouTube! Do it for Jordan's YouTube! Do it!
We're out of nerds, bro. Oh, hell no.
33 and 32, this shit go crazy. Might shave my head like Britney. Might go insane, but I broke my brain if I got this fame too quickly.
Yeah, bro, come on now. What's going on, YouTube?